Alright, in this video we'll be going over some permutation and combination questions, but we're going to focus on arrangement of letters of a particular word. So I'm going to put these questions in the description, and I'm also going to put the name of the textbook. I think it's Takshzila or something like that, but it's a very good book for permutation, combination, and probability. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so that when I make videos you get notified. Alright, let's start with the first question. It says, in how many ways can the letters of the word abracadabra be arranged? Now the condition is, there's no condition here, so we're just going to do the arrangement. First, let's count how many letters we have in abracadabra. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 letters. So that will give 11 factorial over. Now we're going to look out for the repetitions. Now when you look closely, you can see A was repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A was appeared 5 times, so that's going to be over 5 factorial. And let's look out for another repetition. That would be B. B was repeated twice, so that will give us 2 factorial. And what else was any other thing repeated? Yes, R was also repeated twice. I think those are the only repetitions. Okay, so that's how the word abracadabra can be arranged. 11 factorial over 5 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Okay, you can simplify further if you wish to do so. Now the next question says, in how many ways can the letters of the word Wednesday be arranged such that the 3 vowels are at the 2 extremes and the middle of the arrangement? So we're looking at Wednesday. Let's bring out the word first. We have Wednesday. Okay, so let's bring out the vowels. The vowels in this word will be just E and A. So but we have E repeated twice and we have A. And the consonants will be we have our W, our D, our N, S, D, and Y. So the question says, the condition here says that vowels are at the 2 extremes and the middle. So let's look at how many letters we have, so we'll know where the extreme and middle will be. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. If we have a vowel, let's pick one of the vowels, E. The middle is going to be 5. Let's put another E, and the extreme is going to be 9. So in between here we have 3 consonants can come. Now 3 consonants can come, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 of them. So now for the consonants, let's leave these conditions first. Let's check the rest of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 consonants. That will give us 6 factorial. Now, was any of the consonants repeated? Yes, D appeared twice, so that gives us 2 factorial times how many vowels do we have? That gives us 3 factorial. Was anyone repeated? Yes, E appeared twice. So that is how you can arrange Wednesday with those conditions given. Okay, let's look at the last one here. We have, in how many ways can the letters of the word mathematics be arranged such that the 2 M's are together, the 2 A's and the 2 T's? So first off, we bring out the word mathematics. So we have mathematics here. Now they said the 2 M's must be together, so we have M, M, we have A, and we have T. So the rest we can add the rest. So what do we have left? We have H, we have E, we have I, we have C, we have S. Now, because the question says they must be together, we count them as 1 unit. 1 unit. That's how you do things like this. So when you count them as 1 unit, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 factorial. Alright, thanks for watching, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so that when I make videos you'll be notified. Alright, thanks, and have a... Alright, in this video